So yeah, hello you guys. Talking about hacks, we have another super cool hack for you, for all the maintenance people out there who are using VFDs and have been using VFDs in industrial environment. If you are doing that, you would know that the environment you come across are very hostile, and you see dust and lot of different kind of impurities coming inside your enclosures, or even we have seen VFDs used without enclosure at times as well. So the most exposed component here in your VFDs is your fan, which you can see is directly outside the VFD, and it gets all the foreign particles get accumulated on these fans, especially dust and everything. So your fan has your lifetime defined in number of hours, as well as the fan life can be impacted by the dust in the environment. So you might need to change fans from time to time, and what Yaskawa offers is very cool feature, that in Yaskawa VFD you do not need to open your VFD, you don't even need to open the front cover of the VFDs. Your fan can be directly changed or cleaned directly from the outside of the VFD. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So yeah, we have all the models of Yaskawa with us here, and I'll show you with the small J1000 series. So yeah, you can simply do this. You can just simply take out the fan cover, which is very easy. You just have to push the covers in and your fan is directly exposed. You can simply take out the fan. It is connected by a connector. You can just press and slide the connector out, and fan is completely isolated from the VFD. You can check it, you can rotate, you can check everything. If there's a jam, if cleaning is needed, everything you can check here. And after checking, you can also clean the fins of heatsink as well. Then you can simply like if you'll see here there are slots made for the fan to fit back in. You can simply connect the connector back in place, just how it was. So yeah, if you'll see here, we're just connecting the connector back. The fan is connected back to the VFD, and you can simply put it back in this place. And the cover, again, it was like just push and plug, and it is back on. So yeah, bingo, your VFD is back as it was. You have changed the fan, or you can let's say you have cleaned the fan. We can see for any other model as well, like we have our A1000 here. So similarly in A1000 also, you can simply take out the fan cover by pressing the sliders option given here. Your fan cover will come out, just like you're seeing here in the video. Your fans are there. You can simply take out the fans, and you can again disconnect it from the VFD, and we'll show you with this one fan that you see dust is accumulated here. This is an old VFD. You need to clean all this dust, and you can check on your fan, like if there is any jamming in the fan, if there is any dust in the fan, you simply rotate it and you'll see. So if your fan is going to draw extra current because of this extra dust inside the fan covers or filters or fins, then this extra current will be drawn out of your power board, and your power board is susceptible to failures in this condition. So it's better you take out these fans. It's very easy, and clean them from time to time, especially in dusty environments. It's highly recommended. So yeah, again, you can simply put the slots are made, and you can simply put your fans back inside the VFD, and like you can see here how simple it is. Just you don't even have to open the VFD cover itself, and your fans can simply fall back in place as they were. Simply connect the connector like this, and just put the fans back in, and yeah, so we are all set. Your fans are in place, and now you can clean the cover and put it back here again. So yeah, fan cover is here. So yeah, this is for A1000. So I'm not going to show you around for all the models, but you can see all these VFDs has access to fan cover from the outside only, and you can simply use the push and pull mechanism to simply take out the fan cover. This is not limited to the smaller ratings. You might be wondering what happens with the bigger drives, so I'm going to show you. For bigger drives also similar provision is there. You don't need to, you can simply take out the fan cover and just it will come out. I'll put my finger out there, so yeah, we can show you. So simply come out and you can take out the fan again. We won't take it, so yeah, you'll see like your fans will come out and they can simply go back in very easily after your cleaning and everything is done. So you can see this is an amazing hack for all the maintenance people, and we would recommend you to use Yaskawa if you're facing similar such dusty environments. First is that these VFDs are very physically rugged, and secondly it's very super cool, super easy to change the fans of these VFDs from outside only. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll keep on pulling more such content for you, and it would be great if you can subscribe and let us know